Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up and packing down the Sibley Apex 520 tent. Let's get started. The Sibley comes in a carry bag with a center pole, A-frame for the door, pegs, and guy lines. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge marks where the door goes. The canvas is already attached to the ground sheet. That saves time. Use the small pegs to secure the ground sheet. Start at the door and work your way around. Keep it tight. Unfold the center pole. Make sure the hook at the top is properly aligned. Bring the pole inside. Place the top against the roof, then position the bottom in the center of the ground sheet. Partially unfold the A-frame and remove the rain cap. Install the A-frame at the door, position it at an angle and remove the rain cap. Push the pin through the opening in the canvas. Press the frame into place and secure it with the Velcro and strap fasteners. Place the bottom ends of the frame into the ground sheet sleeves. Reattach the rain cap. Zip the door closed. Time to install the guy lines. Clip the carabiner with the guy line onto the designated loops. Start with the guy line at the door. Slightly tension, not too tight. Then attach the remaining guy lines around the tent. Each line should follow the seam for even spacing. Use at least 2/3 of the line length for proper tension. Adjust all guy lines with the sliders. Proper setup helps rainwater run off the tent smoothly. The tent is now fully pitched. There are 4 large side windows with mesh next to the doors. You can roll them up or turn them into awnings. The tent also includes built-in organizers. A special cable access point makes it easy to bring power inside the tent. Time to take it down. Loosen all guy lines except for the main one at the door. Remove the rain cap from the A-frame. Gently lift the A-frame out of the ground sheet sleeves and fold it down. Grab the center pole at the base and walk it out of the tent. Fold it down. Remove the pegs from the ground sheet eyelets. Fold the tent in half with the seam aligned with the door. Then fold it 2 more times. Tip: use the carry bag to determine the correct width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag and pack everything away. Your Sibley Apex 520 is packed up and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching and happy camping!